everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make lifestyle and luxury videos, so if that interests you, I hope that you can consider subscribing. I purchased this mini pochette a few months back, and since then I've been loving it. A valid question that many people ask themselves is if they purchase this item, which is well over $400, will they really get their money's worth? Today I'm going to be showing you 5 ways that you can use your mini pochette in order to get your money's worth and assure that you're using it to its full potential. So let's start with the first way, which is actually the way that I use my mini pochette, and that is as a catch-all. As a catch-all, I go ahead and leave my mini pochette unzipped inside of my bag so that whenever I need anything, I can just grab it easily. So let's go over what I keep inside as a catch-all. The first thing that I keep in here is a hand sanitizer, which is definitely a necessity for these days. The next thing I keep are 2 roll-on or travel size perfumes. I've shared these before. It's Daisy by Marc Jacobs and then Black Opium by YSL. Next, I keep in here a lip balm, which I like to just carry around to make sure that if I need it, my lips can be hydrated. The next item may be a little TMI, but the Poopery Before You Go spray is a lifesaver, and that's all I'm gonna say about that. Lastly, I have just a mini lotion, which is so cute, but so useful. So that is everything that I keep in my mini pochette when I use it as a catch-all. The second way you could use your mini pochette is as a makeup bag. So if I were to use this as a makeup bag, first thing I would carry with me is a lip gloss. This is just a clear lip gloss from Glossier. And then of course I would need some more lip products. So I have here a lip liner by NYX, as well as a lipstick by Maybelline. Next thing I have in here is that same lip balm as before. Can't have a makeup bag without a lip balm. Next thing I would have in here is a powder so that if you need to touch up your makeup throughout the day, you can go ahead and use that. And because I don't have a brush small enough to fit in the mini pochette, as well as I wouldn't want the makeup on the brush dirtying the interior, I would actually carry around with me these cosmetic sponges that come in this little plastic bag. I just got these at Target. And in there I also keep my concealer because my concealer sometimes oozes at that little area that I'm pointing to, and I wouldn't want the concealer to get on the interior of my bag, like I said. So this is really handy and what I would take with me if I use this as a makeup bag. The next way that you could use your mini pochette is as a medicine catch-all or a first aid kit. So if I were to use it this way, I would carry with me some kind of medication. So here I have a Tylenol, but this can look different for everyone. Just any medication you may need in an outing. Then of course I have hand sanitizer. You could also include wipes, etc. In addition, I have a tube of Neosporin in case you get cut or have a wound. And then lastly, I have some band-aids, of course. Alright, the next way that you could use your mini pochette is as an electronics carrier. So I only have 2 things in here, but obviously this will look different for everyone, just depending on your needs. What I went ahead and put in here are some AirPods, as well as an iPhone charger. Last but not least, you can use your mini pochette as a mini bag or a wristlet. The great thing about the design of this item is that you can actually unclip the chain and make it so that it is a wristlet, and you can carry it around very easily that way. So if I use this as a mini bag, I'm going to go ahead and share with you what I would go ahead and carry. So first, of course, I always need lotion with me. It's just a personal thing. So I have that cute little mini lotion in here. And then the next thing I would carry with me is, of course, hand sanitizer. I just swapped the bigger one for this little one so that I could have some more room. And next, I would carry with me one of those little travel perfumes. So this is just the same one as before. And of course I need a lip balm so that my lips don't get dry or chapped under my mask. So the last thing I have in here is 6 Key Holder by Louis Vuitton. And the reason that I think this would be great to carry in here is because not only will you be able to carry your car key and your house key, but you'll also be able to carry with you a couple cards. So it's kind of like a wallet and key holder in one. And I just had a Chipotle card because just so that I don't have to show my actual card, but I think you guys get the idea. So that is everything I would carry with me if it was a wristlet. So that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have a mini pochette, I hope this gave you some ideas. If not, maybe this helped you decide in the future whether or not you would like to purchase one. If you enjoyed it, please consider commenting, liking, or subscribing. And if not, I hope you have a great day and I hope to see you in a future video.